In a lush green forest, a lion decides to invite all the animals under a huge shady tree for a delightful lunch. As the lion settles on a rock, he presents a colourful feast of fruits and vegetables, while the animals gather around excitedly chatting and enjoying the tasty offerings. Beneath the protective branches of the tree, laughter and stories fill the air as the lion watches joyfully while the animals bond over their shared meal. As the sun sets, a warm golden light envelops the forest, and the lion stands proudly raising his paw in a gesture of friendship, while the animals